Hi, I'm Louis Pritchett, and I'm a student at Wright State University. Today I will be giving a short presentation about the life cycle of frogs. I also will briefly discuss some of their main predators. I hope you enjoy. The cycle begins with the female frog laying her eggs. Before she lays her eggs, the male frog grasps hold of her, usually around her waist. This hold is called amplexus, Latin for embrace. During amplexus, the female frog lays many eggs while the male frog fertilizes the eggs. She lays many eggs because the majority will either die from a birth defect, being eaten, or they weren't fertilized properly. After about 7 to 21 days, the eggs will hatch into tadpoles with an underdeveloped mouth, gill, and tail. Tadpoles usually are herbivores, feeding on algae and other small plants, but in some cases, tadpoles have been known to eat other tadpoles in order to survive. After about 4 weeks, the tadpole starts to grow back legs, and a thick skin grows and covers the gills, making them virtually invisible. They also start to grow small teeth. The tadpole is about to go through metamorphosis soon. Once the tadpole is about 6 to 8 weeks old, it goes through metamorphosis, which usually is a 24-hour process. During this process, the gills disappear, the front legs poke out, the lungs become fully developed, and the head starts to look more frog-like. The diet also changes from algae to small insects and plants. After about 12 weeks, the young frog becomes a fully developed frog. The frog's tail shrinks until it's gone, and the body of the frog is longer and more wide. An adult frog has a life expectancy of 40 years in captivity. They feed mainly on insects, lizards, small rodents, and sometimes other frogs. Frogs are big predators, but they also are one of the biggest prey. Frogs are prey to many different things, such as snakes, birds, lizards, fish, other frogs, even humans. But the largest predator of the frog is pollution, and unlike other predators, pollution is not so easy to adapt to. I hope you have enjoyed my short presentation on the life cycle of frogs. For more information on frogs and their life cycle, here are a few resourceful websites in which I used to obtain my data for this project.